Hello guys, welcome to in this tutorial. Today we are going to continue our course HackerRank Python certification. So let's first open Google Chrome and search HackerRank. And log in with Gmail ID. I am logging with Gmail ID. You can log in with email ID and password. Today I am solving all remaining question. So click on unsolve and it will show only unsolved question. Python if else. Click and enter the question. Our question is given an integer n, perform the following condition action. If n is odd, print word. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not word. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, print wired. So we try to solve this question. I am already do this question. This is condition if n divided by 2, suppose 6, 1, 2 is equal 0 and 2 greater than is equal n greater than is equal 5, because we need 2 to 5. If else if 6 to 20, print wired, 2 to 5 not wired, other than else print not wired. So I am click on run code. It will show successful pop-up. Test case error. So what is error? Line 12. Okay. After then run again. Successful, because there is already written